Android NAND Programmer U70 Operation Video. Introduction to the full set accessories of U70. UFS 153, 254, 297 3-in-1 read and write socket. eMMC 153, 169, 221, 254 4-in-1 read and write socket. UFS eMMC ISP Read and Write Module and USB 3.0 data cable. In this video, we demonstrated with the U70 main unit and the UFS 153 250 volts, 297 3-in-1 socket. The U70 has two ports. One is the Raise 5V auxiliary power port, and the other is the PC 3.0 port. U70 connection. Take out the USB 3.0 data cable. Plug it into the U70 PC 3.0 port. When the voltage is unstable or insufficient, using the Raise 5V auxiliary power port. In this video, the voltage is sufficient, so we don't need to use that. Insert the other end of the cable into the computer's USB port. Then attach the corresponding socket to the U70, according to the required pin configuration. In this video, we use the 153-pin 913 positioning frame with a metal shield and cover. The NAND chip is Kioxia UFS 4.1512 GB. Place the NAND aligned with pin 1. U70 NAND read and write operation. Open JCID Repair Assistant on the computer. When using JCID Repair Assistant for the first time, install the UFS driver first. After installation, restart the computer to use it normally. Click UFS. After detecting the UFS chip, click Connect. After connecting, it will read the base data automatically. Select all or choose the data to be saved. Click Backup File to backup NAND data to the computer. Reading completed, data has been backed up. Click Import. Select the file to write and import it into JCID Repair Assistant, then click Write. Wait for the data to be written. File writing completed, writing data successfully. Click Import. Select File to import. Then click Data Verification. Data verification completed. Click Erase to delete the file. Confirm to erase the file. The file has been erased. After importing files, you can also choose Data Preserving Write. Data Preserving Write will skip the above partitions. Confirm before proceeding. Writing completed. Data Preserving Write successful. Click DES Config. Support reading, writing, importing, and saving data configuration. Click Clock Config. We can modify clock settings. Click UFS Config. One-click read, write day. One-click read, write ATT. One-click read, write flag. We can also reset UFS. Be sure to back up the full NAND first. After confirming that, click Yes. Save it to the required position. Then you can format UFS. Pay attention to the prompt. After confirming, click Yes. It also supports one-click OTP unlock. Read the prompt and confirm. 1. Click High Temperature Repair. High temperature may cause NAND logic disorder, or if read speed drops from high speed to only a few MBs. It can be fixed through high temperature repair. Read the precautions and confirm whether to continue. 1. Click Write MISC. Writing general miss will modify the MISC partition. Confirm before proceeding. 1. Click Erase DDR. 1. Click Erase FRP. Erasing FRP will erase the FRP partition. Confirm before proceeding. 1. Click Pass. Super. 1. Click Update FFU firmware. 1. Click Configure one line. Read the precautions and confirm before continuing. 1. Click Configure 0 LAN. Read the precautions and confirm before continuing. 1. Click Remove Write Protection. Read the precautions and confirm before continuing. The above is the operation guide for the JCID Android NAND programmer U70. Thank you for watching.